Hello and welcome to another Phys Ed Physics textbook problem. We're going to be using Surway and Fons College Physics, Chapter 4, Textbook Problem 41. This deals with an inclined plane with a weight on it. Now, I've put a bit of duct tape on here to increase the coefficient of friction. So when I bring it up to 35 degrees, and I put a weight on it, you'll see that a 3 kilogram weight at 35 degrees with a coefficient of friction of 0.3 will just barely start to slide down. So the question's asking, in this scenario, how much force does it take perpendicular to the ramp to stop it from moving? Now the force of gravity is always pushing straight down, but gravity in this case would have two components. There's the force going perpendicular to the incline and the force moving with the incline. We can figure out both of those components because they're x and y components of a standard vector. We can figure out the y component by multiplying the force of gravity times the cosine of the angle. Similarly, we can figure out the x component, which is going this way, by multiplying the force of gravity by the sine of the angle. So now we have a normal force, basically what the incline is resisting, and a force that's bringing it down. In this problem, it's being pulled downwards at 16.9 newtons. And if we want to stop it, then we need to figure out the force of static friction. If it's stopped, the force of static friction is always exactly equal to the amount that is being pulled down, which is 16.9. Now we know based on our equations that the force of friction is equal to the normal force times the coefficient of friction. So for the force of friction to equal 16.9 with a coefficient of 0.3, we need to know a new normal force. That is, we need to know a new force that it needs to be pushed down by to stop it. So if we divide really quickly, we get 56.3 newtons of total force moving down. To figure out how much we've added into the system, we need to subtract the amount that was already present in the system. So 56.3 minus 24.1 is 32.3 newtons. This has been another Phys Ed Physics tutorial. Thank you for watching.